guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a couple of things that have replaced other pieces in my closet because they like fit better, or I just like how they look better, or they're more comfortable, or whatever the case is. I'm going to talk about exactly why they have replaced other pieces in my closet. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just keep watching. So I don't have that many things to show you guys because I've kind of narrowed down my personal style throughout the years. So every single time that I do purchase something, I kind of know exactly what fits my body well and what I just like the most. But every now and again, new companies come out with new things or new fabrics and stuff like that I try out. And no matter how good you think you know your body, you try new things and you fall in love with new things and you just gravitate towards these things more than others. So obviously I don't wear anything other than high-waisted bottoms, and this goes for every single type of bottom that I wear. So I'm not going to cover like all of that because obviously everything in my closet has been replaced by high-waisted bottoms. But I wanted to talk about one brand specifically, and this is actually what sparked the idea for this video. I recently came across the brand Goldie. I've mentioned them before. They've been in a favorites. I started off with the light blue pinch waist jeans, and I recently purchased their pinch waist jeans in black, and I also purchased their like 90s fit jeans, and I love all of them. So obviously, you know, I love my Levi's, and I've mentioned that I also really love my redone jeans, but I just really like these more. So my pinch waist jeans by Goldie do feel very tight at first, but they do stretch out, they do give. You wear your jeans a couple of times and it's going to take the shape of your body, but it's not going to stretch out further than that. So I like that because I have bigger thighs and I can't really size up in a lot of jeans because I would have to go and take it in at my waist. And I don't really like jeans that have a ton of stretch in them because then that kind of defeats the purpose of the whole like vintage looking vibe. Another thing that I really love about them is that their rise is very, very high. So I have completely replaced all of the bottoms in my closet with not only like high-waisted, but with like an 11 to 12, sometimes even like 12.5-inch rise because I am taller and I do have a long torso. So these are their 90s fit. These are my newest pair, and these are a lot more comfortable than the pinch waist jeans. I do think that the pinch waist jeans are slightly more flattering than these because, as their name suggests, they are pinch waist. So the waist is made to like tuck you in, which I like, but I really, really love these as well. These run big. I got these in a 27. I'm usually a size 28, and these fit perfectly. You don't have to stretch these out. They fit like a glove the moment that you wear them for the first time. So I really, really love all of the Goldie jeans that I've tried, and they have replaced like the majority of the jeans in my closet. Another thing that has been replaced in my closet are very high heels. And for me, very high heels are anything above like 3 inches. And I know that that's like grandma heels for a lot of people, but I am taller and my feet are just not made for high heels, okay? I have flat feet, I have bunions, I have just the worst of the worst when it comes to like walking. Like my feet are just not meant for high heels, and I don't mind looking tall, but if I wear anything above 4 inches, I'm brushing on 6 feet, okay? Which is fine, I don't care. I really do not like care to look taller than people. I'm used to it. I've been taller than people my whole life, but it's just a comfort thing. Like, I don't see the point in wasting money on something that I'm not going to be able to wear for more than like an hour because they just kill me. So I completely stopped buying very high heels, and now the majority of the heels in my closet are below 3 inches. These are currently the ones that I have been loving the most. I love like chunky block heels. This could be like an everyday shoe for a lot of girls. I've really, really been appreciating the fact that shorter heels are in style, and these block heels that are super comfortable to walk in are in style again. So yeah, every single heel in my closet has been replaced for a shorter heel. So I've replaced my high-waisted like cutoff shorts with longer shorts I have some like linen longer shorts. I have my Nanine Oliver shorts, and I also have obviously my longer shorts by Reformation. So I know that these are trendier. I'm thinking about making a video styling these shorts. Let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in. But you can always roll up the bottom or cut them if, you know, this trend does go out of style for whatever reason. Even if you cut these, they're fitted, so they're not going to show your butt cheeks. But you know, it doesn't have to be this, just longer shorts in general. I'm not saying I'm never gonna wear cutoffs again. Obviously, you know, for the beach and stuff, they're perfect, but to like actually style shorts and wear them like out, I just find these kinds of shorts to look a little bit more elegant and more like put together. By the way, I have like a rash on my neck. I don't know what it's from, but it's really itchy, and I'm trying the best that I can not to scratch my skin off here. So this next thing is something that I replaced in my closet a while ago, and I love button downs. I think that they are very versatile. They're a basic and a classic, and they can be worn so many different ways. So I've replaced like regular cotton button down shirts with silk button downs. It's like a heavier kind of material that you put it on and it sits nicer on your body. So I like these because I can just style them the way that I like to style button downs. I do not like to button my button down all the way up here. I like to roll up the sleeves. I like it to be loose. I like it to just flow nicely no matter how I tuck it into my pants. I want it to just flow and sit nicely on my body. I do like other kinds of button downs like linen and the cotton button downs. I do like to wear those for like the beach. So this next thing is not necessarily something that has replaced every single undergarment that I own, but at least for this time of year, almost every single top that I wear, aside from like regular t-shirts, I wear with these little guys right here. And I'm actually wearing them today, so I'm not going to show you, and it's kind of gross if I just hold it up. But these are the Bristles 6, I think that's the company name, and these are just their nippies. So it's like a silicone thing that you put on your nipple to prevent your nipples from showing. Obviously, if you are one of those like free the nipple girls, then that's awesome for you, but personally I like to keep mine to myself. I have absolutely nothing against that. I actually think that when done correctly can look very fashionable, but it's just not for me. So yeah, I love these because I can just wear anything and not have a problem. And I've tried a lot of these little silicone pasties. I've tried regular like nipple stickers. I've tried stick-on bras. I've tried everything, okay? And these are the best. You cannot tell that you're wearing anything. And the reason these are good is because the edges are actually made to flow seamlessly with your skin. So you cannot see a line of demarcation between these little stickies and your boob. I wear this with pretty much everything, especially now that I like to wear very light colors and a lot of my tops are kind of see-through and stuff. This just really comes in handy. So those are currently all of the things that have replaced other things in my closet, and I'll probably end up making another one of these videos because I'm always experimenting and finding newer basics that end up replacing my older basics and stuff like that. Maybe like better quality or more like sustainable basics or whatever it is that replace other pieces in my closet. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.